Stay tuned to see what's inside this greenhouse. Today is garden day. We're gonna work in the greenhouse and in our garden. Lots to do. Tag along. So I planted a row of garlic last December. As you can see, it's growing good, all green. But now is the time to get the garden ready for some serious gardening. So here we are preparing the soil here, getting it ready. And today, next to the garlic, I'm gonna plant a row of onions as well. And then we got some plants and some seed that started that need to be planted in the garden. Spring is here in Texas. It is getting warm, it is nice, ready to plant. So these are the onions here, a mix, as you can see, of white and red that we are going to plant in this row right there. So I'm gonna show you the first one and then gonna cut it short. It's gonna be a bit of the same thing over again. So onion here, we give it a hand and we do the next one right there for another onion. Right, just planted some onion here. I have 5 more of these to go, but just wanted to show you. Look who's spying on me over there on the other side of the fence. Can you see? All our turkeys. That's our initial hatch. The males, we call them the Bobs, because Bob is their dad, and we have the 2 females. They follow us everywhere like our pets, and they're right there looking at me. Turkeys. So here's the work finished. The full row of onions there, right next to the garlic. So hopefully these are gonna grow nicely as well. Now let's go and see our greenhouse right there. So here it is, the huge greenhouse. We keep some wood here that we chop just because it takes wood to actually heat it up. Let me show you the inside. So it's pretty warm right now, so we keep it open, and we want the bees as well to get in and start pollinating. But we don't want the chickens in, so we keep the door closed here for the chickens not to get in. But here it is on the inside. So initially we just had the citrus trees, 5 on each side, as you can see, planted. This here is a clementine mandarin, but we have a variety. The next one here is a grapefruit. We have, I think they go together. That has to be a mandarin as well. This has to be another grapefruit. Yes, it is. And look at this lemon tree here. How nice it is. Look at this. It's blooming. But what we did this week is we added the raised beds in between the trees. So not completely finished, as you can see, but some are. And we started planting as well, both in some pots. Here you've got some herbs. I think we got some sage, rosemary, strawberries, some more strawberries here. And here we have, I think, some lavender, sage. And here we planted some seeds that I seeded back in the big city 10 days ago. So we have some eggplants, some tomatoes. Here we got some onions, eggplant, and more seeds that we are starting. So you can see green beans, bell peppers, lima, zucchini, gourd. Quite a few starting here. We have some tomatoes we planted toward the end. But yes, it is progressing very nicely. Beautiful and just huge. Here we planted some peppers. Look at this. Yeah, it is hot. Look how nice. It is warm outside, 80 degrees, 85 probably today. In the summer, we're gonna open it up so that we have some air circulating at the top and cooling it down. But in the winter, this is what we use to warm it up. That is a wood stove. So it is not that big, as you can see. So when it's very cold outside, it takes a few loads during the night just to keep it above freezing. So unfortunately, it is not perfect. My husband has to wake up and put some more wood on the fire. But with this here, it warms up the whole greenhouse. And we can put a heat lamp with a propane gas if needed. But yeah, we usually use the wood stove. But here it is. As you can see, it is huge. We used it as well to store some of our trees we have not planted yet. So this is peach. As you can see, it is blooming nicely. We need to plant it outside. We have not. Another peach here that needs to be planted. So still some work to do, some more beds that need to be done over there in the back. But it's getting there. It is. Hopefully this will be able to sustain the whole family throughout the year. And I mean, we can always use the outside garden, of course, during the summer, but this is really for the winter. We should be able to do another harvest here in the winter. So we'll keep you posted on how everything goes here, how everything grows. All these little seeds, as you can see, they're doing pretty good. Hopefully they will all grow into here Black Beauty eggplant. So here was the tour. I still have my turkeys all around, spying, wondering what's going on. Look at them. They are everywhere. You were waiting for me outside? Me and my 6 bobs. Where are the ladies? You are not my original lady. You're a reddish, huh? My original were not red. Where are they? Where are the ladies? You scared the ladies? You did? Where are the ladies? Where are the ladies? No, not you. Not you. Here are some ladies coming. You're red. You're not one of the first either. We got the red after. And you look like a boy. So no, not you. Where are the girls? Oh, over there. They're having a good time without the boys. Understood. I completely get it.
Put it on, please.
So, what did you plant, Sophie? What is this? Lavender. Nice. So, what did you plant it here, Angeli? What is it actually? You don't remember? Oh, it is Greek oregano. Look at that.
we plant another one?
Yes, we're gonna plant now mommy's seeds here. We're gonna start with the jalapenos. Hi, Angeli.